In shadows deep, where candles gleam, the vampire court fulfills its dream. With crimson wine in goblets high, they toast the night beneath the sky. A feast of blood, an ancient lore, a night of pleasures, unlike any before. They waltz through darkness, forevermore, as echoes of their hunger roar. Happy Halloween, everyone! For today's tutorial, I'll be decorating my table using a vampire masquerade ball theme with the colors of burgundy, gold, black, and some green. Now, let's get started. To start, I got a plate stand at Michael's and put this laser carving of a skull that I got from a Ukraine artist on Etsy. I also used my burgundy Christmas runner as a base. I then used my other set of Gothic skull terrariums that I made as a personal project. Please check out my Halloween decorating playlist to see how I made these. I'll put a link in the description. I then placed my Temu brass candelabras with candles on either side, and I placed some other LED candles using candle holders I got at Hobby Lobby in the back. I found these vintage Target burgundy skull tea light holders that I bought 20 years ago. They sat in a box waiting for this set to be finished. I then worked in these bat figurines that I got at Michael's last year. I thought their vampire decor was great last year. I found these delicious-looking snake apples at the at-home store and thought I could add them in as a unique item. What do you think? I then took these gold masquerade masks that I got from Temu and added them to the ends. To continue with my color scheme, I added white fairy lights in the front and red lights in the back. I did this with all of my displays this year. Now, let's get a closer look at this layout, and then we'll look at it in darker light settings. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this design in the comments below. Also, tell me what your theme is. I will also put a list of items used in my description. Please check out my Halloween decorating playlist for different styles of Halloween decorating and do-it-yourself projects. Please watch my other vampire masquerade ball tutorials in my playlist, and have a happy Halloween.